There are some announcements. I am to announce to the House that the seating arrangements for the honourable members in the August House have been made in consonance with the existing rules, as was followed prior to pandemic situation. The members are therefore requested to occupy their respective seats. I am to announce to the House that I have nominated the following members to be on the panel of chairman for the third meeting of 8th session: Sri Dharamsot Reddy Nayak Garu, Sri Moazam Garu, Sri Mansoon Garu, Sri Manchireddy Kishan Reddy Garu. After the House adjourns for the day, the Business Advisory Committee will meet in my chambers. All the members of the committee are requested to participate in the deliberations. All papers, including the agenda, are laid on the table of the House. సంతాప ప్రతిపాదనలు. ఆత్మలకు శాంతి చేకూరాలని భగవంతుని ప్రార్థిస్తూ 2 నిమిషాలు మౌనం పాటిద్దాం. Thank you. Now the House is adjourned to meet again at 10 a.m. on Monday, the 12th September 2022.